What's the worst window you can buy for the desert climate, but it just happens to be my favorite?
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
There's all different kinds of materials that they make windows out of, all right? We got vinyl, composites, we got fiberglass, you have aluminum, I mean, all these different materials. And of course you have wood windows. In the desert climate's not always a great idea. Now, unless you're prepared to maintenance them all the time. Wood windows can also be very, very expensive. There is nothing nicer than the natural look of wood windows. It's a very elegant look. They're in historical areas, historical districts. They're also in very, very high dollar homes. Wood windows are absolutely gorgeous. In the desert, they require a tremendous amount of upkeep. These things do have to be stripped down and restained periodically. They're only backed by the manufacturer with a 10-year warranty, so you also got to keep that in mind. However, they are the most elegant window on the market. They are the most beautiful window. Some of the things that we do to keep these windows lasting longer is we purchase them with this thick aluminum cladding on the outside. So there isn't any wood that's exposed to the exterior, because we all know what's going to happen to wood. If you stick a piece of wood outside for a year, see what happens. I mean, the bad things are going to happen. This is all protected with this what's called aluminum cladding, and so it's a thick layer of aluminum that covers up all the exposed areas. There's also silicone, which is a sealant that's also used throughout to make sure that no water hits the wood. So it is going to last for a good long time. However, it's still going to require a lot of maintenance. Again, most beautiful window on the market. My personal favorite. Not great for the desert climates though. So, but if it's right for you, this is absolutely the way to do it. You know, choosing new windows can be overwhelming, but our free window buyer's guide makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if we're in your area, make sure to add Desert King Windows to that list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.